Good morning, students. Today we are going to complete our stanza number 7, 8, and 9. Okay, and we all know very well the poem Keeping Quiet, written by Pablo Neruda, discusses the need of maintaining peace and silence. So, right from very start, he suggests that in order to maintain peace and harmony, it is required to stop and introspect ourselves. Why? Because we have to maintain good relation with our friends, with our community, with everyone. Okay. So this is an universal appeal to stop doing all activities, means to stop all your harsh actions and think for the world. Just do your self introspection. So the main idea of the poem I have discussed it previous also. What in our present day fast moving lifestyle, we people are least concerned about our own inner self and keeping instead keep finding faults in others. So it is the attitude of man. We fail to understand our fellow beings, and in its place, we develop hatred towards them. Students, you can think in your family, you can see around your society, everywhere you can see that wherever any raw is there, wherever any fight is there, you can see over there what is the basic idea, what is the main problem, that people fail to understand their fellow beings, and in its place we develop hatred towards them. Today we have reached a stage where we need to find the cause of sadness and the void that has filled the major part of our life. Our lives today are all about wars and misunderstandings. Really it happens with us. Earlier you can say that today everyone is sitting in their home, okay, and keeping themselves isolated, nowhere going, okay. Still you are enjoying your festival at your home in this corona. See, just think, today you are not wasting your money in the hotels, in the restaurants. Earlier means it was your habit for you can say 7 8 months back it was your habit, but today you all are concerned for your life just because of corona. So it's a time to analyze your activities. It's the time to analyze your activities. Our lives today are all about words and misunderstanding because we have no time to look within and introspect. So same thing is required for our nature, that we have to think that we have to make this world beautiful, we have to make this nature beautiful. But instead of that, we keep on our focus in this greedy race, in deforestation and all. We all are busy, we don't have time for our family, we don't have time for the nature, we don't have time for the environment, for we don't have time, we all are running in a greedy race. So poet suggests us, for once on the face of the earth, not speak in any language, stop doing all activities means that he wants that no one will be in rush, there will be no engines running, everyone will be calm and quiet, united with each other in a strange atmosphere. But further he says that what I suggest you, what I suggest to you means whatever the poet suggests, he does not want people to sit idle. Means this means that poet is urging everyone not to harm the world, but it doesn't mean that to sit idle. Okay, so there is a difference between what I want should not be confused with inactivity. Inactivity is not final inactivity. Inactivity means that. Final inactivity means that. But poet wants you to be inactive for some moments. Why? Because he would like to say that what? For this he would like to say that those, he says so because poet asks us not to do so. He requests people not to involve in not to involve in wars, as there is no benefit of achieving such victory in which no one is left alive. Why? Because he wants people to adopt a new approach towards life and mankind. Okay, he does not he asks everyone to stop those activities which are damaging the environment, okay, and which are damaging our relations and all. Means his basic idea is to do the self introspection. He wants you to do your self introspection. Now from here we have to start. If we were not so single minded about keeping our lives moving and for once could do nothing, means poet says that all human beings work endlessly with the aim of completing all their tasks. They are driven by the target of survival and the threat of death. Means so everybody is in mad rush to accomplish all their works. Okay, everybody would like to earn money. Everybody is running in a mad race, okay, in a greedy race. Okay, everybody is running in a mad race. Okay, so the poet wants to clarify to his readers what, when he asks them to stop from saying or doing anything, he does not want anyone to become a non-active person. He does not want you to be non-active person. Okay, and non-active is a person who remains idle and doesn't do anything. Here he simply means that we should stop and see the consequences of our deeds. The poet does not want to see people being killed due to their greed for money and expansion of territories. Fine. Then further he says, perhaps once could do nothing. Do nothing means achieve everything. When you are not doing anything, it's means you can say paradox over here. Why? Do nothing, achieve everything. Means when you are not doing anything, you will achieve everything. How? When you will stop doing all your harsh action, then you can analyze your activities, and finally you will come with a new approach towards your life, towards the society and all. Perhaps a huge silence might interrupt the sadness of never understanding ourselves and of threatening ourselves with that. So, poet here says that the basic purpose of all human beings is to stay alive, and hence they work towards it. This single-minded perspective means everybody is selfish. Everybody is selfish, but poet wants what? That this single-minded perspective about survival has led to a mad rush to finish all the targets in life. If people slow down and ponder about themselves, a huge silence might come between the sadness of never being able to recognize or appreciate ourselves. Yes, it is true. If people slow down, suppose in case if we slow down, if we means just sit and ponder, do our self introspection, retrospection means past. If we analyze our past activities, a huge silence means if everybody would be silent, okay, then there would be huge silence would might come between the sadness of never being able to recognize or appreciate ourselves. Means what? That we all are in fear of death and therefore want to achieve most of the things before our death. Here, poet says that death is a threat to us. We fear that we might not be able to accomplish our tasks of survival. Fine. So poet says that it is the time to stop and see what has been achieved and should be enjoyed. This will help us skip the sadness. What will help us skip the sadness? What will means introspection will help us skip the sadness which has become so prominent in our lives. The sadness of not enjoying what we have achieved and the greed to achieve what next is in the least to be achieved. Okay, so we all should keep silent and keep quiet for some time and then analyze our activities. Fine. Perhaps the earth can teach us when everything seems dead and let us proves to be alive. To make you understand that when you remain silent, something beneficial would be turned out. Poet would like to make you understand this line. How? Perhaps the earth can, you can take an example of the earth. You can take an example of the earth. Earth is personified over here. Can teach us. Earth को personified किया गया है. Personification. How? क्योंकि earth हमें teach कर रहा है. Perhaps the earth can teach us when everything seems dead and later proves to be alive. You can see, students, you can take a lesson from the earth. As the earth undergoes changes in winter, everything freezes, becomes lifeless, but you can see in winter season everywhere you can see ice, fog, and it seems that there is no life on the earth. Okay, and the season changes again and everything comes back to life on the same earth. See? Okay, so similarly, taking a pause, perhaps the earth can teach us as when everything seems dead and later proves to be alive. In the winter season, as after night we can see day, after you can say moon, we can see sun. In the same way, after winter season we have beautiful spring. So similarly, taking a pause and introspecting into our lives will give it a new meaning. We will be able to understand the purpose of our life. It will be like a rebirth of the soul. Poet has conveyed to all the people the purpose of this message, and so he asks them once again to take a pause. Okay, see, these lines provoke humans to learn from nature. What we have to learn from nature, as what is seen that rejuvenates and lives again. The winter covers the trees with cold. The winter covers the trees with cold, and it appears as if there is no life left in the environment. But as the cycle of climate turns, the environment comes alive. The earth goes through cycles of life and death, and still continues its journey. It moves on and becomes alive once again. So last stanza, ninth stanza. Now I will count to 12 and you keep quiet and I will go. So poet says over here. Now here the poet tries to maintain the third person viewpoint towards the entire poem, means our viewpoint, readers and thoughts, and he tries to quietly leave the scene as he has initiated the thought process and passed the message. What? Maintaining a third person viewpoint to the entire dilemma, the poet leaves us on a train of thought. Now that he has passed on the message, his work is done and he quietly leaves the scene. Okay, fine. So here, now I will count to 12 and you keep still and I will go. Means what? Poet says that now human beings should stop and try to judge their deeds. They can try and make their life better with calmness, peace. Finally, he ends up by saying that now he will count up to 12 so that we all may become quiet. Here, quiet means to calm down ourselves and move towards the path of peace and harmony. After saying this, he says, what? I will go. He says so as he has conveyed his message to the people and wants them to be left alone to think about it and work in the direction of peace. Work in the direction of peace to develop mutual understanding and to develop mutual understanding with your friends, with your family, with entire world. So this is the poem Keeping Quiet. We have completed this poem. I hope that you all have gone through the poem, and still if you feel any problem, then you can ask me on my WhatsApp number or you can make a video call, but ensure me your timings of video call prior a day. Thank you. Have a nice day.